They look exactly like real projects. You won't question it. You won't doubt it. And that's exactly the point. Now let's talk about deepfake influencers, the most dangerous scam technique of 2025. Imagine this. Your favorite crypto YouTuber appears on your feed. Same face, same voice, same style, saying, "Guys, Phantom L2 is giving early rewards. Connect your wallet and claim now." But the video isn't real. AI created it in 60 seconds and people click, because we trust faces we recognize even when the face isn't human. Next, the rise of Phantom L2 networks. Scammers now create entire fake testnets, fake block explorers, fake sets, fake leaderboards, fake network activity. Everything looks real. And when you try to claim the airdrop, they ask you to connect your wallet. This is the trap. The moment you connect, they send a signature request. It looks harmless. What is actually giving them unlimited spending approval? This is where wallets get drained. And it gets worse. In 2025, wallet drainer pop-ups became smarter than ever. AI detects your device, your browser, even your wallet extension, and it shows a custom pop-up designed specifically for you. It might say, "Verify wallet ownership to claim airdrop," or "Update wallet security module if you sign it." Your wallet is gone in 8 seconds. Now let me break down the real scam pattern. Here's how almost every 2025 airdrop scam works. 1. Fake Twitter announcement. 2. Deepfake influencer retweets it. 3. Claim now button. 4. Fake website. 5. Connect wallet. 6. Signature request. 7. Wallet instantly drained. The entire operation happens in less than 30 seconds. And here's how the draining actually happens. Step 1. They give you a signature that looks like a login or a verification request. But in reality, it grants unlimited spending permission. The crypto world is facing a new kind of danger. AI-powered scammers are draining wallets in seconds, hiding behind the promise of free airdrops. And the scariest part, most of these scammers aren't even human anymore. They're AI. Everyone loves free tokens. Everyone loves early rewards. And scammers know that better than anyone. That's why, in 2025, wallet draining has become a full-time industry. Today, I'm going to show you how these scams work, how your wallet gets drained, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself. Let's begin. Airdrop, the most tempting word in crypto. People stop thinking the moment they see the word free. Scammers take full advantage of this weakness. Asterisk, because now AI gives them something they never had before. Perfectly realistic AI-generated airdrop campaigns. Fake Twitter announcements, fake white papers, professional-looking websites, and the newest weapon, -3D deepfake influencer videos. Step 2. Their bot instantly swaps all your tokens, bridges them, mixes them, and sends them to their main wallet. Step 3. Your funds disappear forever. And the worst part, technically, you approved the transaction yourself. So no team, no support center, no exchange can get your money back. Now let me give you the 5 survival rules, the only rules that can save your wallet. Rule 1. Never sign blind signatures. Rule 2. Connecting a wallet does not mean it's safe. Rule 3. Always check the domain before clicking anything. Rule 4. Airdrop announcements on YouTube or Telegram are usually fake. Rule 5. If the rewards look too good to be true, they are. If this video sparked even a small warning sign in your mind, that alone might save your wallet one day. Stay safe, stay smart, and always verify before you click.